emergency, inform any of your cabin crew members to change your seat. Thank you.
Right guys, welcome back to another episode. So this afternoon we are heading to Entebbe, and I've already had a few hours of sleep, mainly due to Ramadan. Alhamdulillah, fasting, so I think that's the reason why I'm feeling quite exhausted, but inshallah it should be alright. So I'm now in Addis Ababa. I've just landed from Mogadishu, and then we're gonna go straight to Entebbe. This is not good. So, as you can see, my eyes are very tired, bro. Because I had a late sleep last night, and also I had to get up for suhoor, have some suhoor, and then wake up in the morning again. 8 o'clock, wait up for my visa. My visa arrived at 9 o'clock. My flight was at 12:20. So you can imagine all the fuss I had to go through. But at the end of the day, alhamdulillah, we are here. So we are going now to Entebbe, and this is in Addis Ababa. So let's go. Hassan. This side?
No, that's with brave on the.
Ah.
With brave on that road.